Okay, my friend has joined me. He got his K5 Blazer door, his trunk door, and now he's helping me get the Subaru nice and secure and raised up a lot more. Let me see if I can tilt this a little bit. There you go, a little tilt action. Yeah, that's good. Cool. All right, let's get some more. Don't start raining. This is impressive. This is the Brat wheel. I'm gonna take one these days.
Slow it down a little bit.
Yeah. Come on down.
Well, it's still not more on this than that other one. If you're not even on that other jack anymore.
Oh, cool. That was one I trusted. That one's rusted for safety. That one's rusted for safety. It's seized in position. All right, I'm jacking.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Moving the jack. Not trying to have my
Hands
fingers
not.
in there.
Yeah, no, I get it, dude.
I would.
Drop it down a little bit.
I would let it sit on it.
Okay, cool. Now put a little bit of pressure on the.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Well, there's no real pressure on it yet. Go ahead. Alright, right there.
Cool. All right. Nice. In position. Cool. Any brake lines or anything, or like primo? And what's awesome with this setup, even on the Brat, the shitty brake lines are just right here. Everything else is primo. So I've seen brake lines just right here. And gas lines too. Let me see if I can.